tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to prepare another simple but delicious pasta dish. I'm going to use fresh artichoke, but if you can't get fresh, if you can only get frozen or the stuff out of a can, then just give that stuff a rinse and add it to the sauce later. Skip the first part of the recipe where it's boiled in the pasta water. What I'm going to use for the sauce is passata, some pancetta, a bit of shallot and some green beans. I'm going to use some pesto because I can't get fresh basil in this part of Italy at this time of year, and of course a little bit of parmesan at the end. So it's going to be a really delicious pasta dish. It's going to take about 30 minutes in all to make, and I'm going to get started now. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need artichoke, passata, parmesan cheese, pancetta or bacon, shallot or onion, green beans, pesto, and your pasta of choice.